This is a demonstration of the blanket stitch. This stitch creates an overcast edge to reduce fraying and gives a really classic look. The stitch goes in at the outside edge of the patch and comes up 1/4 inch directly below. This is the only stitch you take, it's just a vertical stitch. Here I'm working from left to right, and before each stitch I place my thread in a counterclockwise loop. I also hold the thread from the last stitch with my left thumb. My vertical stitch comes up through the center of the loop and catches the thread to make a corner. The tension can be adjusted to perfect each stitch. The idea is to create 90-degree angles. Now you might notice me pulling on the threads with my needle. When working with a double strand of thread, the two strands can pull through unevenly. All I'm doing is evening out that slack to avoid tangles. Once I get to the corner, I basically split the difference, placing one stitch right at the corner at a 45-degree angle. I'll keep going until I run out of thread. Then I go to the back and take a few tiny stitches in place to secure the end. Notice how on the back all you see are the vertical stitches. Next, I'll rethread my needle and keep going.